Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem deepest leaf sum. So this is another binary tree problem and we have to find out the sum of all the leaves which is at deepest as possible. So a leaf in a binary tree which doesn't have any children. So if you see, this is a leaf node, this is a leaf node and this is also a leaf node. But if we look for the deepest, so this leaf 7 and 8 are on the same depth from the root node and which is deepest. So we need to sum them. So we need to return 15 as the answer for this tree, while we should not add 5 because 5 is not on the deepest as possible. So how we will solve this problem? So any of the binary tree or tree problem we can solve with the two well known traversal, either DFS or the BFS. BFS is nothing but in tree also called level order traversal. So let's first think about how we can solve with DFS. So in DFS in terms we have three traversal defined based on the ordering, like in order, pre-order and post order. We can use any one of them. So but how we can use? So one of the way, like iterate through this, goes through the tree and note down all the leaf node with their depth and then take the deepest deep and add them all the leaf on that node. So we can store in a either dictionary or somewhere, but that you have to store all the leaf nodes. So that will takes extra storage size space. So how we can do without even extra space? So for doing without any extra space and all, what we can do, first we can go and find out the depth, max depth of this tree. So which is max depth. So we can write another one helper function which find the max depth of this tree. So how we can do that? We just start from the root node and we will keep adding, like take max of either right subtree, left subtree or the right subtree plus 1, and once the node become null, like null, then we will return 0 here. So we will get the depth of this tree which will be 4. So there is a dedicated separate problem for that on LeetCode or on other platform. You can go and check, solve that as well. So now once we got the depth, so what we can do, from the root we will start again and send the d, like d is the current depth which is initialized from the bun, so which is this, and also the max depth which is like say md, which is corresponding to max depth which is 4 for this tree. So we will keep going left and right subtree, we will keep calling like as a normal in order or pre-order traversal. So we come here, whenever we go on the next level we increase this depth by 1. So this will come over here 2 for this, then for this it become 3, and for this become 4. So as soon as this become like this depth d is equals to max depth, then what we can do, we also check if it is a leaf or not. If it is a leaf node, so this case, if it is a leaf node, we just add into a sum. So we will use some global variable which will store, where we will store all the sum. So we create a sum initialized from 0 and then add, whenever we found this node we will add 7. So sum become 7 plus 7, then when we found 8 we add that again, so plus 8. So this will become 15. So this is the DFS approach. So if you can pause the video and try to code yourself, this is very straightforward. If you know basic tree traversal, it's just implementing. So what will be the time complexity of this code? As you can see, we are processing this tree 2 times all the nodes, so which is O of n. And what will be the space complexity? As you can see, we are going as much as depth of the recursion, which is the height of this tree, which is the depth of the tree, so which is O of max depth. So here is the code for this recursive solution. As I explained, first we will call the max depth function. This max depth will help us to find out the depth of the tree, the max depth of the tree. So this is, here I am using ternary operator and take the max either from the left subtree or the right subtree plus 1, the current root node, and whenever root become null we will return 0. So this method we called first and got the max depth. Then we call the helper method, initialize depth d, here I initialize with 1, but 0 you can initialize with 1, otherwise you have to add over here 1. So if you initialize with 1, you do not need to add d plus 1, you just compare d is equal to max depth. So this is the step. So as you can see, we are going level by level, and all the leaf which is on the max depth which will be on the last level. So if I traverse this tree level order traversal, like these are the level, different levels. So, this is our last level which has 2 leaves nodes. So, the only the last level which have all the leaf node, and that leaves are the deepest one. So, somehow what we are looking the pattern, if we do level order traversal level by level and the last level, if we sum them all the levels, so the last level will be the our result which we are looking for, like deepest leaf sum. So, we just iterate as a level by level and keeps adding every, like if we add here 1, then here level by level sum is 5, and then here at this level will become 15, and that level is also 15. So, finally, this level sum we will return as our output, the result. So, you can pause the video and try to code this as well. So, let us implement this code like BFS approach code. So, for BFS, as we can see, like q will take a integer, no, we need to store the tree node, so that we can check the left and right subtree. So, q initialize from linked list implementation. Now, we add offer the root node here to the q. Now, we iterate this while, and we also need a int, let us say sum, which is our final sum of the deepest leaves. Then we start while q has node greater than 0, it should be 0, and then we update again sum y 0. So, that on every level the sum initialize with 0, and we just only add the so here what we can do for int I, just for level by level, we will take the q dot size, process all the node in our that level q, and until I greater than 0, I minus 1. You can also use while loop, that is fine. So, we will first get the node. So, root is equals to q dot poll. So, we poll the first and then update the sum is equal to sum plus root dot val, and also now check if root dot left is not null, then add into the queue. So, we will add that root dot left into the queue, and also now check root dot right, if not null, then also offer into the queue. Once is done, after processing everything, we just return the sum, which will be the sum of our deepest, all the deepest leaves. So, let us compile it and see if it is compiling and working. Yeah, it looks like compiling and working. Let us submit this code. So, this got accepted. So, the time complexity and space complexity of this code, like time complexity, we are processing all the node, which is O of n, and space complexity is the max width of our tree. So, in worst case, that will be O of n. So, if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.